So this is the room where we are staying. So this area is kind of where they keep bottles, and this is a bathroom. With a tub. And here is my son playing. Adi, what are you playing with? Legos? Legos. And this is the view. This is the bay view, and this is awesome. It's the best part of this room is, you know, you can sit, relax, and just watch around. Here you can see, if I try to zoom in, this is the USS, you know, the naval ship. Now it has been converted to a museum, so we would be going there to visit. And here are some more boats. Wow! Wow, Adi! Do you like it? Yeah. And we are on the 29th floor. It's amazing. This is the building, the hotel, one of the tower, and let's take you to the pool side. So we are just walking, and right now it's a little bit on a cooler side. That's why there's no one. And if you see, these are the, you know, you can book it. You can book this kind of cabins for yourself to relax. This is here. This is the pool. And the view is so good. So these are Hyatt 2 towers. This is the first one. And the second one, if I can show you, I'll try to show you, is here. So the second one is here. And this is an amazing hotel, a beautiful one. This is Market 1 of Hyatt. So if we want to get something like coffee, cappuccino, or anything, we can go here and get this. And this is my son playing hi, Adi. So this is our breakfast. Adi, are you enjoying your breakfast? This is the view. Adi, what are you doing? You're playing? But I think this ball is not for this. But you can play. Come on, Adi, you can do it.